guys, me with a guru, and today we're going to be on a little trip. I'm currently in New York City, and I'm at my hotel, and we're going to ride the elevator. So, yeah, wait for it to come, and emergency exit, currently on the 19th floor. Got this elevator here. I'd click down, but we'll go all the way up, and we'll go all the way down, and I'll cut the video, and we'll go back up. So we're going down. Okay, well, what the hell? I'll cut the video right here. Okay, so we're going to try this again. Last time I clicked the down button and we went down, so let's go all the way up. And we'll go all the way back down, and then we'll go back to the floor. And actually, we go up so high, my ears are popping. See? Watch the indicator. Alright, to end it off, we'll go back up to 19. We will now ended up going to the 19th. Hopefully this time we don't get interrupted. We'll take a little cabin here, just your basic cabin. I'm not exactly sure who makes this elevator. It's not a name brand anywhere, so I'm not exactly sure. Some fixtures, you can see they're band resistant because they don't have